Hello everyone, this is me Sadhya here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of December 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Aquarius. So let's see what it's going to give for you guys for the month of December. I have already pulled out the cards. I have included oracle cards, but no charms will be added. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. Let's find out what is heading towards the Aquarians in the month of December. Let's start with the tarot first, and then I'm going to include the oracle cards as we proceed with the readings. Let's find out. The World, Page of Cups, and King of Pentacles. There's a lot happening in your life right now because I'm recording this video on the 29th of November. So I feel like, you are basically entering into the month of December with some sort of a cycle ending in your life and a new beginning in your life. Some things are going to change within you, which is going to, which are basically triggered by the circumstances that you are dealing with in your life right now. And those changes that are coming from within you are going to make you more practical towards your approach towards life, towards the way you deal with your love life as well, with the way you take your relationships as well. I feel like it's going to change you. It's going to make you more practical around around everything that you would be doing in your life in the month of December. I feel like you will be trying to have some sort of balance back in your life right now, in the month of December as well. Um, for some of you, if you have been very emotional lately, I feel like you will try and understand how to control your emotions towards a specific someone, as well as you have this new cycle begins in your life. Um, you're going to be more focused on the practical way of leading your life towards what you want. It seems like there might be certain things that you were doing in your life, in the past, where it seems like maybe you were dealing with certain issues in your life and you were not ready to go to fix those issues in your life with the practical mindset. I feel like now you are basically trying to deal with everything with a practical mindset. Earlier maybe you had your emotions and love basically guiding you towards taking certain steps in your life, which was basically kind of making your life a mess. And now basically I feel like for some of you, you are basically taking the control of your life back in your hands by thinking straight, by thinking practical around it. For instance, let me put it this way. If there was a person in your life and you really love this person, and maybe you were thinking like I will be all good without money, and I will be all good without without the practical needs of a person, and I just love this person so much, so badly, so dearly, that I don't want anything else, and I don't want to see what can happen, what cannot, and this and that. I feel like now you're basically using your brain too, along with your heart. You really want to see, is it like is it practical to go about this connection the way it is going, or was it too wishy-washy about of me being wishy-washy around this whole connection. So I feel like there are certain it's more like you are contemplating on the recent decisions of your life, and now you are contemplating and trying to make up your mind the right way so you could lead a life which is more stable, which is not just based on your emotional side of you, but also you are using your brain to so you could have a life that you desire in the most comfortable way. Your emotions may mislead you depending on the current circumstances. You really should be incorporating both mind and heart in the decisions that you're going to be making in the month of December. Otherwise, you are going to regret some decisions of your life. So always make sure that you are, and I feel like you will be kind of having a balance back in your life in the month of December. maybe recently you were thinking from your heart, you were not using your brain at all, you were not thinking from the mind at all, you were being very um, very dreamy around a certain situation that you would be feeling in your life right now, or that you would be dealing with in your life right now. And now I feel like in the month of December you're going to have a whole back of it again in your life, where you are not letting your emotions dictate you or control you. You are just trying to see through things and then only take decisions and make your life the way you want to make it. um, so it's going to be like your life is going to get back to normal, your life is going to get the momentum back. For some of you, it's gonna be like a month where you're gonna realize your certain mistakes that you recently made in your love life. That's what I'm picking up. The mistake could be uh, from cheating your person, to planning to leave that person, to um, picking a wrong decision in your love life, to anything. But I feel like there are certain things that you did in the past out of your emotions. Now you are not going to do those mistakes now. Let's see what with the clarifiers here, let's see what it has to add to the reading. Page of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. Somebody is being very practical now. I feel like that's going to be the change in you. You are going to become more practical in the month of December, which you were not lately. There was something that you were really wishing and hoping for, and I feel like you were pretty close to that as well, but then your practicality is going to hit you hard, and you're going to think through your brain and then decide. And I feel like you're gonna make you're gonna realize that you were about to make a mistake in your life, if you had not, like, let your mind you know uh, stop you from taking some decisions in your life. uh, it could be different for different people. For some of you, maybe you have been listening to your mind so lately, and now it's going to be like your love or your heart is going to intervene. For others of you, it's going to be opposite, like if your brain has been the one dominating and controlling, now it's time for you to let your heart in the matter as well. So yeah, let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Freedom. Live wild and free. Choose your freedom. Claim your independence. I feel like it's gonna be whatever that was, like keeping you hostage, be that mind or heart. You are going to set yourself free from that by bringing some balance in your life. Nature. Ground yourself. Find a sanctuary in nature. Connect with the elementals. It's time for you to spend some time out in the nature. It's gonna help you a lot to see through things and to contemplate on the past patterns, on the new patterns, and how you can make things better in your life as well. Let's see. Retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world. Spending some time alone is also going to help you a lot in the way you are changing yourself. Maybe you are going to be, maybe you have already started spending more time in the nature, where you are basically thinking what is it that can add to the balance that you seek in your life right now. So that could be the thing as well, which is going to help you understand what do you actually want, plus how can you bring the balance in your life as well. Spending some time in isolation could have also made you understand what you could not in the past. Let's see more cards here. Pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. I feel like you were about to make a silly mistake in your life based on one thing, mind or heart. And now you are trying to get back the hold of your life. You are not going to make that mistake now. Something might have come to light which kind of shake your world up. And it's gonna be, it can be something related to your love life, it can be something related to something else as well. But I feel like something was revealed to you by the universe, and it's gonna get revealed to you if you spend some time in isolation or in nature. Let's see more cards here. Express love through gifts. A small token of love can convey great appreciation. Um, and I feel like, this message is for those of you who have been, letting their mind control them. Now you are letting your heart take charge of it, and you are going to be expressing your love for the person that you are dealing with as well. Practice compassion. See things from a fresh perspective. um, that's exactly what you're doing as you enter into the next month of December. Let's see more cards here. Lemon Axis, innovative thinking, number 23. If you are a working person, it's going to be a very innovative time for you. It's going to be a very different mindset that you would be having in the month of December. You can create a lot of thoughtful, innovative, um, decisions in your life, which can bring you abundance in the month of December. Lemon is the color. Gold attract abundance, number 21. Golden and yellow is going to be your lucky colors in the month of December. So you will be attracting a lot of abundance. But again, the key here to abundance and to success is going to be maintaining a healthy balance between mind and heart. That's what you need. Don't let your mind dictate you or your heart dictate you. You really have to have a balance there. Then only you will succeed in whatever that you want to do in your life, be that in love or work life. And I feel like, you basically save yourself from making a wrong decision in the month of December. You will be basically saving yourself from making a wrong decision. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for the month of December. If the reading resonated with you, to like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.